Ever felt that nagging worry, that tiny seed of doubt, when you tap your card or log into your online banking? You know, that what if, that lingers in the back of your mind. What if someone's watching? What if your account's vulnerable? In today's digital age, where our financial lives are increasingly intertwined with technology, that what if is more relevant than ever. We entrust our hard-earned money to banks, expecting them to be impenetrable fortresses of security. But how do they actually do it? How do they stay ahead of the constantly evolving threats and keep our funds safe? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Commonwealth Bank, or CommBank, and exploring how they're harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to revolutionize customer safety. Now, you might think of AI as something out of a sci-fi movie, a futuristic concept. But the reality is, it's already woven into the fabric of our daily lives, especially in the financial sector. CommBank, Australia's largest bank, is at the forefront of this revolution, using AI to detect, prevent, and mitigate fraud in ways that were unimaginable just a few years ago. Let's rewind a bit. Traditional security measures, like passwords and PINs, while still essential, are no longer enough. Fraudsters are becoming increasingly sophisticated, using advanced techniques like phishing, malware, and social engineering to steal our personal and financial information. That's where AI steps in. Imagine a system that can analyze millions of transactions in real time, identifying patterns and anomalies that would be impossible for a human to detect. That's precisely what CommBank is doing. They're using AI-powered fraud detection systems that learn and adapt to changing threat landscapes. These systems can spot suspicious activity, like unusual spending patterns, multiple login attempts from different locations, or transactions that don't match your typical behavior. But it's not just about detecting fraud after it happens. CommBank is also using AI to prevent it in the first place. For example, they've implemented AI-powered authentication systems that go beyond traditional passwords. These systems can analyze your behavior, like how you type, how you move your mouse, or even your facial features, to verify your identity. This adds an extra layer of security, making it much harder for fraudsters to impersonate you. Think of it like this: your usual online shopping spree might involve a few purchases from familiar retailers. The AI knows this. But suddenly, a large, unexpected transaction pops up from an unfamiliar location. The AI flags this as suspicious, prompting a verification process. It might send you an SMS with a one-time code or ask you to confirm the transaction through the CommBank app. This proactive approach helps to stop fraud in its tracks before it can cause any damage. One of the most impressive aspects of CommBank's AI strategy is its ability to personalize security. They understand that every customer is unique, with different spending habits and risk profiles. By analyzing your individual data, the AI can tailor security measures to your specific needs. This means you're not burdened with unnecessary security checks, but you're still protected from potential threats. For instance, if you frequently travel overseas, the AI will learn to recognize international transactions as normal behavior. But if you suddenly start making large, unusual purchases while you're at home, the AI will raise a red flag. This personalized approach ensures that you're only alerted to genuine risks, reducing the number of false alarms and making your banking experience smoother. CommBank's AI isn't just focused on online security. They're also using it to enhance security in their branches and ATMs. For example, AI-powered video analytics can detect suspicious behavior, like someone loitering near an ATM or attempting to tamper with it. This allows security personnel to intervene quickly and prevent potential crimes. Furthermore, CommBank has been investing heavily in AI-powered customer support. They're using chatbots and virtual assistants to answer customer queries and provide assistance around the clock. These AI-powered tools can handle a wide range of tasks, from checking account balances to reporting suspicious activity. This not only improves customer service, but also frees up human agents to focus on more complex issues. Now, let's talk about the ethical considerations. With the increasing use of AI, there are legitimate concerns about privacy and data security. CommBank acknowledges these concerns and has implemented strict policies to ensure that customer data is protected. They're committed to transparency and accountability, and they're constantly working to improve their AI systems to minimize any potential risks. For example, they're using techniques like differential privacy to anonymize data and prevent it from being used to identify individuals. They're also working with independent experts to audit their AI systems and ensure that they're being used ethically and responsibly. But it's not just about the technology itself. CommBank is also investing in educating their customers about online safety. They're providing resources and tips on how to protect yourself from fraud, like how to spot phishing emails and how to create strong passwords. They're also encouraging customers to report any suspicious activity immediately. This holistic approach, combining cutting-edge technology with customer education and ethical considerations, is what sets CommBank apart. They're not just relying on AI to solve all their problems. They're also empowering their customers to take control of their own security. One of the key advantages of AI is its ability to adapt and evolve. As fraudsters develop new techniques, AI systems can learn and adapt to counter them. This constant evolution ensures that CommBank stays ahead of the curve and continues to provide the highest level of security. For example, when a new type of phishing scam emerges, the AI can analyze the patterns and quickly develop countermeasures. This proactive approach helps to protect customers from emerging threats before they can cause widespread damage. Moreover, CommBank is actively collaborating with other banks and industry partners to share information and best practices. This collaborative approach helps to strengthen the entire financial ecosystem and protect customers from fraud across the board. In a world where cyber threats are constantly evolving, AI is becoming an indispensable tool for banks like CommBank. It's not just about preventing fraud, it's about building trust and ensuring that customers feel safe and secure when they entrust their money to the bank. CommBank is also exploring the use of AI to personalize customer communications and provide targeted security advice. By understanding your individual risk profile, the AI can provide tailored recommendations on how to improve your online safety. So, when you next log into your CommBank account or tap your card, remember that behind the scenes, a powerful AI system is working tirelessly to protect you. It's a testament to the power of technology to enhance our lives and provide a safer and more secure financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.